Good, we're restarting. Come back down. We're gonna restart it.
No, it's just a second part to the video. It's not going to be a restart. Yes, it's going to be in 2 parts, KJ, because I'm not deleting the other one.
2 parts in?
Fine.
Why would you have to?
Dude!
We have to get up there in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Nobody's gonna watch 2 parts of a glitch. We have less. Tell me when you're about to start.
It's already started.
How long has it been?
Only a few seconds, KJ.
Ready, set, go. We have to get up there in less than 2 minutes, so we have to kind of hurry.
Green.
Ready, set, go. You ain't gotta put your tap down, I ain't gonna kill you.
Now, what glitch is this?
Where you get out the map of Quarry. Ready, set, go. Yeah. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. That was my fault. Ready, set, go. James Mayer. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Where? Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Yeah. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. We finally got up here to the next part.
Is that the hard part?
Yes, it's kind of the hard part. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. How many minutes?
3.
Only 3. Okay. This ain't the one where you jump. Ready, set, go. Okay. Back up. You're too close. Okay, now everyone that's watching the video, all the viewers, just to let you know, this is going to be the hardest part.
Blah, blah, blah.
And if we get enough subscribers, we'll host a free 10 prestige lobby.
Dude, subscribers, really? Dude,
all
enough.
we need is 10,000. Give us 2,000 subscribers, and we will host a free 10 prestige lobby. Okay, now we're going to start back on the video. Ready, set, go.
Dude, getting 2,000 subscribers in one day will not be possible.
Not in one day, just overall.
Oh.
When we get 10,000 subscribers.
Wait. Whose channel is this going to be on mine?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, go up.
Well, then never mind.
Ready,
set, go.
I want to. No, I have to get closer and you.
Please tell me that you didn't mess up.
No, we're just having a little bit of difficulty. Okay. Ready, set, go. Yeah, this is one of the hardest parts of the whole thing, so you have make sure you set the tap gun sergeant before he kills you. And set the tap gun sergeant on the very edge. Ready, set, go. Okay, now watch what he does to get the tap. You have to jump back over here. Okay, he's gonna jump back across. He shot way too quick. Yeah, right here, there's a certain spot you have to get up. Watch out. Watch out. Move. Watch out, Parker. This is the spot you have to get up. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Ah, we're lagging. Ready, set, go. January, you're making us lag. Okay, now this. Watch January jump exactly where he jumped. Oh my god, I'm lagging.
But you still made it.
January, you just messed the video all up.
No.
You're lag. Okay, that ended.